In memory. In memory. Two legendary chums. Adoring suspect. This profound legacy. His profound legacy. Why await limestone? In night so ransomed rogue. In night so ransomed rogue. Persecute Envoys. Lepers Repel. Defection. Season 3, episode number 21. Jane is forced to recruit someone from her past to help take down a dangerous alliance. Everlasting. Season 3, episode number 14. When Patton's investigation into a tattoo results in a horrible incident, she tries to figure out what went wrong but quickly realizes all is not as it seems. Enemy bag of tricks. Her spies harmed. Her spies harmed. Evil handmade instrument. Evil handmade instrument. Devil never even lived. Duplicitous. Season 4, episode number 1. The FBI team hunts a dangerous enemy operative, and a deadly new foe emerges. Erase weary youth. Erase weary youth. Check your red. See your soul. Balance of might. Balance of might. Borrow or rob. Borrow or rob. Bone may rot. Back to the grind. Back to the grind. Any wounded thief. Any wounded thief. Split the law. Split the law. He fiery knot. He fiery knot. Sent on tour. Season 1, episode number 7. One of Jane's tactics sends the team to a remote location where they find themselves face to face with a dangerous criminal, a case that puts Jane and Will's strained relationship to the test and threatens to expose Mayfair's secrets. Meanwhile, Patterson breaks the rules to solve a tattoo puzzle. The Night of the Dying Breath. The Night of the Dying Breath. The big reveal. Season 4, episode number 10. Reed confronts Zapata while the team follows a lead to a potential cure for Jane. Authentic flirt. Warning shot. Warning shot. In the Comet of Us. Season 1, episode number 19. When a school shooting breaks out during the investigation of a tattoo, the team splits up to take down the shooter. Mayfair copes with some issues from her past. Let it go. Season 3, Episode number 20. After receiving shocking news about Avery's father, Dane and Weller must hunt down an elusive criminal. Meanwhile, Patterson's father helps the team in the lab. Nor I, Nigel, at a leg in iron. Nor I, Nigel, at a leg in iron. Screech, thwack, pow. Screech, thwack, pow. Rules in Defiance. Rule light resonance. If Beth. Naughty monkey kicks a tree. Season 4, Episode number 5. A blast from Rich.com's past sends the FBI team after a deadly terrorist plot. We fight deaths on thick lone waters. Season 2, Episode number 8. When Weller and Jane go missing during an undercover operation, the rest of the team must interrogate 2 criminals who hold the key to finding them. Also, Whites returns with a vendetta against the team. Regarding mere mad rager. Season 2, Episode number 19. Jane and Weller go undercover on a high-stakes scavenger hunt run by powerful hackers. Shepard journeys to Thailand to procure a dangerous weapon. My art project. Man's telepathic loyal lookouts. Frequently recurring struggle for existence. Droll autumn unmutual lord. The one where Jane visits an old friend. Covert killer. Everybody hates Kathy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.